Hi everyone, so we're going to finish up plate tectonics now with a new term called hotspots. So hotspots are volcanoes that are not associated with any plate boundaries. So a key important term here is that they are not associated with plate boundaries. So they're caused by small melting areas within the mantle. So our crust is weak in one area, and this melting area in the mantle sends this volcanic materials up through there, creating a small island. Hotspots do not move, but since our plates are moving around them, we see multiple of these volcanic islands emerging. And a great example of these is our Hawaiian Islands. So we have many Hawaiian Islands because as those plates have moved, we have created new ones. But only the island that is over the hotspot is going to be volcanically active. So let's take a look at what this may look like. So here we can see all of our different plates. And yesterday we talked about our ring of fire. So our ring of fire is found around this plate right here in that connection. But what we see here is that here are our Hawaiian Islands. So our Hawaiian Islands are formed by hotspots. They are volcanically active. But since our plates have been moving in this direction, we can see that many little islands have been created from this hot spot. Though other islands, such as Madagascar and a few off the coast over here, are not volcanic islands. Those islands were made just by the shifting of the plates itself and breaking up of those continents. So not necessarily all islands are volcanic islands made by hotspots, but the Hawaiian Islands in this example are an example of islands made by hotspots. So again, let's take a look at this. We can see our hotspot in our mantle. It has pushed the Earth up in creating a little volcano here. And as the plate has moved, we can see many little islands have been created by this hotspot. Our plates are not moving at a consistent rate either, so that's why some islands are bigger than others, and why you might see the difference there. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.